Hello everyone, my name is Kristen Kumbal, and this is a demonstration of the clinic management system, a Java ethics application built as a final project. I'll be showcasing the receptionist dashboard. So the application starts with a secure login. For this demo, I'll log in using a receptionist account. So upon successful login, the system directs us to the main dashboard based on the user's role. So here we have the receptionist dashboard. So the dashboard is designed for easy navigation. On the left, we have the main menu. So the first panel we say is the overview, which give us a summary of the clinic's data, like the total number of appointments and treatments. So now let's go to the appointment module. So this is where we manage all patient appointments. So the table display a list of appointments and the data is loaded from appointments as required when the application starts. So adding a new appointment is a goal. We can fill in the patient name, choose a date using the date picker, and select a doctor from a drop-down choice. A drop-down list. And the list of doctors is dynamically loaded from the user's SB file, ensuring we only schedule with registered doctors. So let's try to fill in. To add appointments. So as you can see, the new appointment is immediately added to our table. So this action also triggers a save function, writing the updated data back to the appointments as we file. So our changes are persistent. So we also have an action, manage existing appointments. So let's demonstrate the edit and delete function. So clicking edit opens a dialog to modify the patient's name. So let's change this patient's name. So similarly, we can delete an appointment from the list with a single click. So this action removes the entry from the table and updates the appointments CSV file. So it's already deleted. So moving on, the payment module allows us to record and manage patient payments. So the table here shows all recorded payments. Notice that the patient drop-down menu is very pre-populated patient names from appointments. So we need to create again so that we can see it in the payments, the name of the patient. So we already created appointments and we can see here. So let's try to add payment to this patient. So just like appointments, adding a new appointment, adding a new payment instantly updates the table and save information to the payments as specified payments. So here we can see that we already added a payment to Shedelin Havana. So the edit and delete functionalities are also available here for managing payment records. And then finally, the doctor availability module provides a quick view of all registered doctors and their specialization. This information is loaded directly from the user's CSV file and helps the receptionist when scheduling appointments. So we can see that it Mary Calaboses, the registered doctors. So conclusion, that concludes the demonstration of the receptionist dashboard. So this application effectively handles appointment scheduling and payment management while ensuring data persistence through CSV5 integration. So this was my part of the project. So my partner will present the Docker dashboard. So that's all.